Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, right over here I have some leftover frozen vegetables. Fruits, I mean. Alright. Watermelon, ripe banana, pineapple, strawberry, kiwi. Gonna put them straight inside of the blender. When you make a fruit salad, you can freeze the rest. What left, you don't have to put it in the bin and do something with it, like what I'm doing, making a video now, or do something with it. Lovely. Then we're going to put some spinach. I love my spinach. And not only that, spinach is really good for you because they have a lot of iron. We're going to put some lemon inside of it. Roughly about half of a lemon juice. I'm just squeezing half of a lemon in it. Alright. Lovely. Roughly about half teaspoon of lemon honey. And now I'm going to use warm water in this one because I want it just to melt out. So just roughly about half cups of warm water. Because it have a lot of ice because of the fruits which I freeze. Now I'm going to simply blend it for about 4 seconds. Look at that. Beautiful. That is beautiful. Fantastic. All right. Look at it. All right. See that? What you can do, if it doesn't even too thick the way you want it, you can always put more ice. But this is fantastic. I like it. Look at this now. Amazing. Beautiful one. And it is fantastic and amazing recipe from Chef Ricardo and the team. Look at that. Beautiful. A lot of spinach, lemon, and you got the frozen fruits. Ah, amazing. Really fantastic, nice and simple. And I know you guys definitely can make this at home. So I want to take the time out to say thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell with Chef Ricardo and the team. So please stay tuned, and I will see you next time with more recipe. Bye bye.